A congressional committee says it wants to cut $880 billion from the federal budget over the next decade. 13's Brent Palmer is back from a rally held at the Kansas State House today, focused on what that could mean for health care.
That's right, Victoria. Advocates from across Kansas gathered to the Rally for Health Care amid concerns those cuts could target Medicare and Medicaid.
We are here to talk about the potential Medicaid cuts and what that might mean to state budgets, Kansans with disabilities, kids, older Kansans, people that kind of rely on the Medicaid program and the federal and state partnership that funds it.
Groups leading the rally wanted to make their voices heard by their representatives.
We want to make sure that that is, first of all, not going to happen, but we also want to make sure that everyone understands, Kansas lawmakers, the public, and our federal delegation, what the consequences will be of those cuts right here in Kansas.
Rally goers share concerns like those of Sherry Coatney, who worries the cuts could leave her child without proper health care.
I don't know what would happen to her if Medicaid wasn't there to pay for the nurses that she needs every single day. What happens? I don't know. I mean, I'd have to quit my job and stay home and do that. And then if something went wrong, I mean, she'd likely die because I don't have the training necessary. And, you know, we live 15 minutes away from the hospital.
They also want Kansas leaders to think about the financial impact they could have on our budget.
We want Kansas legislators in particular to understand that this will impact the Kansas budget because Medicaid is a federal and state partnership. When the federal government cuts a portion, that puts pressure on the state to make up the difference.
At the end of the day, these cuts come to Kansas, and Kansas legislators have to make the decision about who is losing their services and what services are going to be provided. Who are they going to cut? And I think that that's very scary.
Attendees and anyone worried about the proposed cuts are encouraged to reach out to their legislators.
Brent Palmer tonight, thanks.